I finally cracked the code. I feel like this stuff is finally usable now. I've just published a YouTube video, a landscape video, where I am sharing my screen and showing my custom GPT workflows on how I'm creating somewhat high quality AI images that are branded. One of the hardest things for me is I want to build the best website I possibly can. And the hardest thing for business owners sometimes is to allocate money and time and resources in getting me some branded media, images, photos of the team, signage and stuff like that. So I'm usually scraping the bottom of the barrel with most of my clients. Some of my clients that have been with me for almost 10 years still have lifeless images. Aside from branding, logos and colors, there hasn't been that much movement because they're busy. I get it. But this new workflow that I've been testing with for some time is finally delivering scalable results. Now, do images still look a bit, how you going? Yes. But I'd say 2 out of 3 are usable if you feed it correctly. So the workflow that I've built is actually nothing revolutionary. It is now that technology has caught up, and if we have clients branding colors, bonus points, if there are some basic photos of the client, we can now create prompts. I've created a custom GPT. In fact, I've got about 30 that are unique to the particular client. But in simple terms, I have a custom GPT that will visit a website, visit the About Us page, visit the services page and the home page. And based on that website, it will identify the style of the site, the nature of the business, the services, how serious it is, the lighting, the location, and it will create unique prompts. In this case, it will generate 10 unique prompts with various sort of styles, with their various camera angles and things like that. Those prompts I then throw into an AI generator tool of your choice. In this case, I've been demonstrating with Free Pick. It allows me to upload 8 source images. With those source images, I will upload a logo. Sometimes I literally just take a screenshot from the banner or the menu. I then load up a few photos of the team if possible, and then I give it the color of the brand. And I throw these custom prompts into Free Pick, and I get a lot of the time with Nano Banana, whatever the latest AI language model is that creates good images. I throw that in and I'm starting to get reliable images that I can use on the banner of the website, the service pages. So that way those service pages where we usually do like a zigzag to split up the wall of text that's needed there for SEO, content is far more unique and relevant to the text on that page. I share that workflow on YouTube. It's a landscape video where I'm actually showing my screen. Now, it's hard for me to justify those videos if they are of benefit to you, if you like it, if they give you value. I'm just watching dolphins go past me. Please let me know, because I like helping people and I want to help whoever I can with what I've achieved. But it's really hard for me to justify sitting down, planning something out and shooting it where I'm sharing my screen. Right now I can do it because I'm multitasking, I'm walking the dogs, I'm getting some exercise in. I don't have a ruck anymore because I've hurt my back somehow, popped 2 discs. But if my videos are helping you, let me know, message me. I'm not gonna say and subscribe, but just send me a message saying, hey, give me some ideas of what you want me to show, and that will help me with my little dopamines, allocate some time to film some more content for you. Hope that makes sense, hope that helps. So right now I'm starting to roll it out on all of my rank and rent websites, where it's essentially a fake lead gen site. I create the logo from the ground up. But a lot of my client campaigns, we're revisiting those sites and regenerating a whole bunch of service pages with photos of the team in action, especially like for a dentist site. We've done some good stuff on the consultation type photos where the dentist are welcoming the patients with the various services. One might be teeth whitening and stuff like that. And you can see that the logo has been attached correctly on the wall and all sorts of other cool stuff. Look, it's with the medical space, so you want to check with the client what's allowed to be used. But with things like trades, home improvement, pest control, plastering, just use it. It's very much usable